Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your TCL 30. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Write notify body and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app. From here, move to the next step and you'll need to grant free permissions to this app. First one is phone permission, and simply press on it and then allow. Overlay permission, and here you will need to find notify body and enable it like that. The next is notification permission, and do the same thing, find notify body, enable it and then allow. Last option is battery optimization, and you don't need to do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here you can already start using the app, and there's 4 tabs you can find down below. First one is user, and from here you can pick any app that you will get this custom LED lamp notifications for, so let's pick Facebook. The next option is system, and here you can find any system-bound apps you can also enable for this LED lamp notifications. In the active you can find all the apps that we've just activated, and there's a Facebook. In the settings you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, like place on the screen, or even time between blinking. After setting up everything, press the test button and you'll be able to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.